Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Procore. So this is one of the leading construction project management software today. So in this video, we won't be logging into the actual platform since Procore requires a demo request or company access, but still I will walk you through its key features and advantages. So Procore is designed to connect teams, improve collaboration, and keep the construction projects on track from start to finish. So, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what Procore can do and how it supports the project managers and teams, and why it's trusted by many companies in the construction industry. So, let's start with the pre construction products. That's right. So we have here tender management, BIM, and estimating. So let's start with the tender management. That's right. So here you can send out tenders in minutes. So you can easily create, manage, and track the tender invitation. So this is how it looks like once you are inside the tool. You can also increase the visibility into the entire construction tendering process. Next one, let's go to the BIM. Okay, so here we have seamless collaboration anytime and anywhere. So you can navigate complex models with intuitive mobile-friendly tools, connect field teams with design data instantly, conduct multidisciplinary model coordination in real time, and then assign and track issues directly within the model. Next one here, can gain control, minimize the risk, and then build with confidence. So measure and create observations from the site, validate every penetration, blacked out and embed locations for walls and floors with 2D views, and then utilize augmented reality to compare site conditions to 3D models. Here, next one is you can automate tasks, accelerate projects, and then drive efficiency. So here, supercharge the estimating workflow with a 3D takeoff, connect coordination issues directly to the RFIs and change the event, and then use their Open API and BIM Viewer SDK to extend the BIM capabilities with the partner integration. Next one is we have the estimating. So here on the estimating, as you can see, you can improve your tender to hit ratio fast. So replace manual symbol recognition required for takeoff with the AI auto count, and then count items across multiple pages and filter result to ensure accuracy, and then support any type of construction with area, linear, or weight-based takeoffs. And then here you can also make jobs more predictable and profitable. So move from takeoff to completed estimate with a single click, and then apply historical rate tables to move quickly and accurately. Automatically calculate materials and the labor cost, and then easily update to support shifting labor and then the material cost. And then it can also ensure the data is never lost in the handoff between the teams, and then automatically turn accepted estimates into project budget, create a budget or SOV in project financials with a single click, and then sync revisions between drawings and estimates, and then quickly and easily price changes during the constructions. Now, the next one is we have here the project management. So here we have the project management and then the quality and safety. So let's go with the project management. So here, as you can see, you can close the communication loop. So we have the mobile collaboration tools are built for the site, so making it easy for everyone to have a clear understanding of what needs to get done every day to stay on schedule and then prevent the rework. So efficiently capture and manage all project correspondence, then everything is easily accessible in one place to minimize the risk and mitigate the project disputes. And for the access, so here, information is updated instantly, so all of the stakeholders have ultimate visibility and then mitigate risk with the accurate data logs. And then here for the visibility, so the project's overview gives a complete picture of any outstanding items, and then track all steps and speed up the approvals. Now let's proceed to the next one. So we have the quality and safety. So here for the mobility, these tools are built for the site, making it easy for the site teams to contribute to and comply with construction safety regulations and quality specification. For the accountability, so all of the necessary documentation, reference, materials, and records needed to ensure standards are met with verification methods that create accountability along the way. And then more information from the site teams means greater insight into the root causes of quality and safety issues, so risky behaviors, near misses, and incidents. You can also predict and improve. So, through everyday tasks, identify the risk and then track the opportunities for improvements. The next one is the financials. Okay, so we have project financials and then the accounting integration and then the invoice management. So, let's just go to the project financials. Okay, so here for the accurate, it is budget wisely. So manage change from the site in real time, creating budget that more accurately reflect where your budget stands at any moment. Generate detailed financial reports to see how your spending decisions affects the projected profits at closed out. And then here you can also identify and track critical costs with forecasting tools that show you what to do today to make up for yesterday's overspending and delays. Okay, here you can also reduce the project delays by empowering project teams with access to the real-time data they need to quickly resolve disputes and initiate the change. Can also bring change management to the site, so facilitating faster approvals, more accurate communication, and eliminating the need to proceed at risk. Then give accounting teams instant visibility into change as it occurs on the site. Okay, you can also take control of the labor cost. Next is we have here the resources. So for the resources, you can get insights to build it better, faster. So you can protect your labor, protect. So here you can mitigate risk by capturing, documenting, and tracking out of scope. Work with day worksheets, automatically notify the office team so they can generate a change request and then secure the payment. And then you can also monitor the labor costs in real time, identify at-risk scopes of work, and act fast to make decisions that positively impact your project budget and profitability. And then you can also track quantities of material installed to keep your site teams productive and your project on schedule. So for the last one, let's proceed to the data. Okay, so let's just go to the analytics. Okay, so as you can see right here, data is your most powerful ally. So turn your project information into meaningful, actionable insights that will guide your business. So historical analysis for improved forecasting, extract trends from the larger data sets, and then identify the patterns with the machine learning. So here you can choose how you see your data. You can bring it all together in one place, and then you can gain control of your bottom line. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.